So today I'll be talking about how the Dodo Birds went extinct. It all started one Sunday afternoon, where all the Dodo Birds were relaxing on their private islands, especially on the island Maracas. They were having their time of their life, drinking coconut milk, having sunglasses, and partying all night long. That is until one day, a weird spherical ship or thingy showed up on the ocean. Well, let's not care about that. Let's care about the parties. Let's care about the coconut milk, especially the parties, and the coconut milk. So it was largely ignored. However, on that spherical thingy that washed up from the ocean was a person, and especially a Danish one. But let's not worry about that right now. I mean, what are they gonna do? Chop up all of our trees and eat us like fried chicken? There's no way. So then they chopped down all their trees, and all that was left was sand and the birds. It only took a couple of days, and then they thought, what about the food? So then they decided to go outside and point the large thingies that shoot balls out of the thing. What happened next would be a massacre. All the birds died, and they were all eaten for lunch. Well, there you have it. That is how the Dodo birds went extinct, and how the idea of men they would make good lunch. The end.